Hey guys, so today we're doing a water gun versus Nerf gun distance challenge. So I have a fully loaded water gun and 2 bullets in this Nerf gun. We're going to be shooting them from this line right here, that patio line. So we're shooting it from there. Now, let's do it. Without further ado, let's get right into it. Also, if you haven't seen any of my other videos, check them out. And yeah, but that's it. So let's get right into it. So first, we're gonna see how many strides this water gun goes. So all the way to the bush so far. All the way to the bush. All the way to the bush. All the way to the bush. Actually past the bush. Okay, so that's pretty good for now. Now let's try the Nerf gun. Over the fence. Over the fence. So that is a clear win for the Nerf gun, but the water gun did pretty well as well. Now, yeah. As I said, please like and subscribe to this video. Subscribe to my channel as well. Follow me on Instagram at... Sorry, no wait, I don't have Instagram. Follow my friend on Instagram, Jack Nardi, at LILJAAI. And follow him, and subscribe to him on YouTube at Jack Nardi. Thanks. Please like and subscribe. And tell me your thoughts in the comment section below.